Please God, let the fairy 99ers be with me. Because we came to the good 99. Oh, there's a thrift store there. Would you walk into the thrift store with me? You would? You want to check it out?
Gotta get brand new shit, baby.
I'm gonna go in. Don't be. I hate when you be smoking. Oh look, they have queso cheddar. Really don't need none of that stuff. Well, they still have the family size chips ahoy. Oh, look at the mirrors right there. Those are pretty. Oh, look at boxes. We bought a box already. When I go to the 99, this is one I don't come to very often, but this is a good one. I either go to the left or right. I make it down the one aisle, and I hit up the freezer and then go back through. So I don't see nothing real good right now. So this is where I do. Then I hit up the freezer first. Man, looks like they done got nothing. Frozen custard. Diet tea. So they didn't have anything too good in the freezer section. I did get 2 milks and 2 lunch meats. So I am going to make my way back around to the food aisles. Usually what happens is by the time that I make it down the first aisle, Frank comes in, he's done with smoking. Oh, these were so good. I'm about to get some. So this is like the snack aisle. Didn't I tell you guys when I make it down the first food aisle after the freezer is when they come in? I told you guys that. Gonna kind of give, says it's, yeah, so the milk expires. Oh, I'm gonna get some of these for the children. They have Chips Ahoy here. Yeah, so they expire in a couple days. They have the gallon milk four for $1, but they expire in a few days. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys. Oh my God, they have something that I've been looking for Frankie. Look. How much is it? Okay, now we're down the candy aisle. It's nothing special. They have lots of pinatas at the 99-cent store. Look at that one. That's my favorite. Oh, and the cupcake. But yeah, lots of candy. Baby, look. Read these. Here, hold it. Look at me. In case anybody is wondering, you can come to the 99-cent store and get these nuts.
Oh, God.
Look, baby. How funny.
You're horrible.
So, now we're down the next aisle, and it's just a bunch of summer stuff. I'm hoping they have some of the stuff that I'm looking for, but cutest little girl sandals. Baby, can I get Frankie some unicorn sandals? Get the whole box. Really, get the box and dump it, or just keep the whole box. Baby, you got me the tray? Honey, do you want any flip-flops? Summer stuff. Little stuffed animals. Oh, look, they have, I'm not going to say it, baby, but look. Look. Would I look cute one of these? Oh, here's the little things they were wanting. See the little pillows? No? Look at the clear bags. Those are new. I've never seen anybody haul those. Pretty cool, though. Pillows. It's cute. It's, I think, little flamingos. You okay, Papa? Look at all the summer cups. Doesn't it make you just want to go on vacation looking at all this stuff, baby? Yeah. Oh, right. So the ones I'm looking for are orange like this, but I like this gold. But yeah, they're orange. They don't have them. Everyone else.
Orange, you glad?
Aren't you glad? No, I'm not glad. Awesome. Baby shower gifts. I already got one of those. Or if you're having a baby, they got a bunch of stuff. But look at their clearance, honey. All this is for $1.25 each. Where this does 50%. But yeah. Pretty cool clearance. Yeah, they got baby magic here. So now we are into the shampoos and stuff. Baby, look for, I got Frank, I always tell him, look for name brand, baby. Baby, look for name brand. They got Fructis, but $1.99. Da work. Da work. Puppy. Cute stuff. Right, guys? Aw. Emoji, Daddy. Look, emoji. Over here, nothing special, you guys. I hope I'm going slow enough for you. These are new. I just saw them. They're speaker pillows. That's pretty cool. That's really neat. Babe. Baby. Look. Frankie, you like it? You like it? Oh, you want to buy it? Huh? Now we are down the next aisle, and it's more like shavers. Look, they got baby teething gel. Let me kind of give you an overview of this aisle. Here is where the medicine, I've been looking for those darn makeup wipes. Oh, they got more coconut oil. Here, baby. You should record me. Well, you should record me when I get to the makeup aisle. How about that? They got Theraflu, but they only have the nighttime still. Yeah, I saw those. Oh, they do? Oh, you should get it for the children. Look, that scope. So I don't have any good toothpaste. So I never, ever score on toothpaste. This is something new for my blonde friends here. $2.99 L'Oreal. It's pretty cool though. They never have it for black hair though. There's the foot socks that I like. They got all women's stuff. Doubt I'll find the setting spray. Here, baby.
How about you quit being
Do shit. Here.
It's not focusing.
You hit the screen. Press the screen.
Oh. Worthless items. You know? All of this is worthless.
Baby, stop it.
Worthless.
Whatever.
Worthless.
Huh? Oh yeah, they've had that one, baby. That's cool. Now we're down the cleaning aisle. Smells so good down this aisle. So if you want to fart inside a store, you come down the cleaning aisle to be respectful to others. I'm kidding, y'all. Hold that shit in. This is real pretty. Let's have adventures under the stars. $2.99. Right on me. It's a light up sign. They have glue sticks. This is the craft aisle. Oh, that's a good deal. $2.99 for all that. Cell phone fun goodies. You want pizza? It's pretty neat. I really hope he doesn't break down those Lunchables. My luck he is. Everybody else gets cases. I get singles. Always like that. Oh, these are cute. Oh my god. Baby, look. It looks like me and you. So we look like elephants. It's $1.99 though. Next aisle is just plates and dog treats and cat treats and look, I always like decide if I want this or I don't. I end up putting it back every time. So So they don't have no Yetis, huh? Yeah. Fish food and stuff, if you guys don't know. Brush your teeth. Wash your hands. I want to go back and see if he... I really like those. If we... Oh, look. Now that I no longer need them and I've been searching for them, those signs are... So this will be the last aisle. I can't believe they're breaking them apart. Look, I really like that. I've been wanting that bag forever, Mr. and Miss. It's really cool. But 99's bag game, except this store is kind of messy, but they've got some really cute bags. Amazing value toys. Happy places. Oh, I want these for mommy. I always like looking at the toys at this particular 99 because they have some pretty cool stuff. Oh, look, baby, battleship, honey. Be fun to play with the kids. Look, Dory, $7.99. Whatever.
Every state that we visit, we just put it on a piece of paper, and then slowly as we go.
Oh, like we'll do it later, baby. I don't know. I got a lot of friends on YouTube now, baby. So maybe we go. We don't gotta. We got places to stay when we travel different states. Look at Brat stalls. That's pretty neat. Little pony. So no setting spray here. And no Yeti cups. Cute little dress up stuff. But yeah, guys, this is the location in Plano. Hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.